Hello guys, so today I'll show you how to make a gaming 3D thumbnail with just two apps. Subscribe to me and now I'm gonna show you how to do it. So now let's show you. First of all, let's open Safari. Now let's open Fortnite replay background. You have to write that. We are here, so now let's press on images, and now I'll pick any of them. Like for example, I'm gonna pick this one, and now just tap on it, add to photos, and it's now added. Now let's go back, let's search, let's show you first. Now let's go to here and then write PixArt. Now there's an update, but I already have it, so I don't. Here it is. So now let's open it. You have to download this now. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So first of all, let's go to the picture right there, and now let's press on tools, then let's press on crop, and now we'll press on YouTube right here in the last, and now apply it, and now we'll go to effects, and now you can like make it more, not that. One second, let me show you. So let's go to blur, let's press on blur, and now let's make that about so 1 second. So that's basically what I recommend. Yeah, so that's basically what I recommend you use it. Now apply it. Now let's go to stickers. Just write Fortnite, and now I'll go and pick something like this one right here. Now let's place it like, oh, it's not a good quality yet, so I'll go choose another one like this one right here, I mean. So now let's you can move it around a bit if you want to. See, it looks cool. It actually looks so cool. So now let's go to effects. Actually, not effects. Let's go to adjust. Let's go to here, and then you can change it to how you want. I'm gonna keep it normal, but there's another way too. Cancel. Let's cancel it. Cancel. Go to effects now, and you can even go in. There's two ways actually, so there's three ways actually. So if you go to here, color replacement, press on hat. See, this is also a way to do it. None, and this is also a way to do it. And I'll just make it a little. Actually, I don't want no colors, but yes, that looks better. A little more like gives a little more shine. And now I'm gonna add shadow to it. You can even add shadows. See? The shadows are not actually showing much, but I go to effects, I'll show you all the effects. See, if we go to adjustment, I can hear other stuff like this and these highlights. I actually like that better. Temperature, keep it normal. I'll give it like this too. Yeah, that looks better. And now I'll show you one more thing. I can show you this and make it 1 second. I'll show you. You can even add shadows like this. See? Or that doesn't look that good. Doesn't look that good. So I'm gonna make it a little like less. I'm not gonna show it that much. Yeah, that looks better. Let's go to effects. Let's go to iPhone, and now let's search for 1 second. It should be around here. Yeah, here. So now if I just like make it like this and then put it here, and now if I go back and write Fortnite, and I select this for example, I just like go like this, and actually I want to make it a little smaller. I'm gonna make it up of it, so it can see. It looks so cool, like it's inside the phone. Now I'll put shadow to it too. Adjustment, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna do it quick. Oh, I'm gonna do this right here. Sorry, I did the wrong thing. So now we're back. I'll go to adjustment. Not adjustment, sorry. So effects, and then I just quickly go to here and then make it full. That looks cool too. And like that's like basically it, but I'll show you more stuff. See, like, and I'll add like 1 second. I'll just add one more thing. First, let's first of all add this. If you want, I'm not recommending adding it to everything. I'm just showing you. So now let me just find the thing I want to put. This right here. This is the thing I wanted to put. Actually, I'll put this one right here up. Let me just show you. This right here. It actually looks cool. See? But it's not the exact size. So now it is the 1 second. I need to make it a little smaller so the whole thing will come. Yes, that's perfect. And now I can just, that's about it, but you can even add more stuff if you want. Like a victory bell thing. Yeah, you can even change the color of it. One thing, I'll show you something. Like I wanna, that's a victory bell, so I'll go, I even put a shadow to it, so let's go to here and then change the color of it to green. Apply. Press the plus button. Now also go back to stickers. Sorry, not photo stickers. And now let's make the first. Oh no, sorry, not. Didn't mean to touch it. So let's press on the first thing, and let's actually put it in the phone. Now let's change the think of it too. Let's make it, actually let's keep it red. Red looks cooler. I'm gonna apply it. See, and now I fully applied it, so now I can't change. So I'm pretty sure lots of people watch videos like people making videos like this, and they're putting the item shop stuff. You can use this to make your own like that thumbnails. Like you can put people here. I'll show you 1 second. Let's keep it here. So I'll press button, and now I'll get like it's right here. Like they will, like people actually make people think that this is 1 second. Also, I didn't mean to stretch it around. Let's keep it on here. See, it looks like the 1 second. See, it looks like those like what people make videos about and all of that. If you want to do that, you can do it too. So like that's about it. And now I'll press apply. Let's go to next. Actually, I'll go to next. Let's go to save, download video. While it's asking for monthly, I'll say I'll download from here instead. You see, press the share button, and then it's gonna download. You can even post on Instagram or something from here directly. Save all the stuff, but you need save as a save as a JPG, save as a PNG, save as a PDF. But you need Premium for that. So that's about it. I showed you how to make a 3D thumbnail. So subscribe to me, like the video, and share it with all of your friends, and bye.